Good morning. Trip number 34. I am going to discuss Constitution Part 2, which deals with several the powers of executive, parliament, assemblies, and other independent authorities like election commissions and auditor general, so many service commissions. These all are other units, and nowadays commissions are being appointed, women commissions, SC/ST commissions, women rights commission, so many things are there. So Constitution Part 2 deals with privilege, immunity and judicial activism, judicial review. Article 122 deals with parliament proceedings. Judicial review may not be immune. Judicial review immune. 212 assembly proceedings cannot be reviewed by the court. Then you see the parliament as well as assembly, particularly speaker has got coitimate orders. QUIATIME coitimate orders. This coitimate orders is related to specific relief of section 32. If anything is being apprehended, there is possibility of injury. Interim orders may be passed. So here one case where what had happened, the Supreme Court has stepped ahead by adopting doctrine of ruling out principles, saying that okay, under 212 and 1212 proceedings, the courts may not have powers to have review of their irregular proceedings or the validity of the finality of the order. But the Supreme Court says, but we can give directions. If the Assembly Speaker is keeping the petitions filed under Schedule 10, Rule 6, which deals with the defections for months together, then High Court can interfere by issuing direction to dispose it early. This is also a speedy and fair trial proceedings, right? This is what the today's step and Telangana MLA's case, state of Tamil Nadu, state of Telangana case. So today this much is enough, and because you must go through Article 122, 212, and also about 226 and judicial review powers. Best wishes.